how to change your last name on Udemy easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it. First open your browser and then go to Udemy, and once you're here all you need to do, just click on your profile in top corner here. Now click on it, and that's it. As you see here, go to profile and then go to the second one here and type here anything you want, and then scroll down, and here we'll find save. Click on it, and that's it. Your changes have been successfully saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.